Hi all and welcome back to my channel. Today the rest, so part 2 of the pedals. You have seen in previous episode that I have mounted a new axle in it. So today we're going to do the rest. So enjoy the video, and if you didn't subscribe already, subscribe, share, like it, and enjoy the video, and here we go. So you have seen that I made a new axle for the gas pedal that is in another color now. The arm as well, sorry for shaking, the arm as well, so I can assemble this one. But first I had some little troubles with the new bearings. Guess what? The new bearings were not so good as I thought. So this has a little end play here, but not much. But with the new ones, it was a lot more. So I kept the old ones in, and then I have the little one. So this is the new bearing, copper bearing, and this is the old one. Sorry for shaking again. So this one just sits right in, but I guess it can turn, so I will not use that anymore. I will use this one. The problem is with this one, I have to open it, and then let me show you. I'd use some sandpaper, and goes like this or like that to get a little bit of material off. So I would get the diameter of this. So this has a little play now, but if I push it, the play is gone. Yeah. So this bearing is good. I just need to tap it in here. Oh, it's almost done, that crease. Like that. Take the new one. Place that in it. Tap it a little bit, and take the old one to tap it in, but make sure it stays on the right side. And that's in. You see? No damage at all. And it's holding this now beautiful in place, no play, and that's what we want. Now we have the big piece here. We take our grease element here, put a little bit of grease on it. Turn that into place. And that's it. You see? This is where the gas pedal is coming. So that's on the right side. At first we need to put in this one. I need to already gotten other bushings. They're the same because the new ones suck. Grease that up. And of course a little bit of inside the bearing. Good. Where the bearings are, there's a little place here, so we put there also grease. But afterwards I will put a lot more grease in it, but just to grease it up front. So you get a nice even grease in there. I put this from here to there, like that. Now we get a hook. Same here. I already greased it up. As you see. Now we have the spring. Let me see. Must be that. Yes. Then we have our pedal. That's the brake pedal. Like that. That's a 14. Make sure this one is tight enough because that's the brake pedal. You don't want a loose one like that. And now we search for the hole for the clutch. And now you make sure when your pedal is upwards that the hook is on top. There it is. Now we have to put in, I don't know, this side or this side. Yes, it's this side. Put the pin in. Now we go to the gas pedal. Let me take the new piece that I have colored. So you see, we can make everything, even with less amount of working materials. So we don't want that squeaking noise again, so we put grease on that. Like that. Put that in, turn, so the grease will goes in nicely. Put this up, and now I have to tap this down. So I have fixed it. This is almost new, so it has no play on it. So that has to go here, and it has to go up and down, because the cable is here, the gas cable, and it pulls directly up and down. A little grease again. So you have here a short one and a long leg. The short one let me see, it has to go like this, because your grease point is there. If you do it like this, it will be in the way. So it has to be like this. So this is not with so this is just a tight fit. Let me take my hammer. And let's see how tight it is. There it is. It's at the gas pedal now. Yeah, that should work. Let's get this right. Just too low. Okay, take this one. It goes like that, and that's better. Now we can tap that in place. Just holding on, guys. Only with one hand, you know. And that's in place. Okay, the rubbers goes on. These are still the original ones. If I find some better ones, I will buy them. Like that. Brake pedal.